Hello everyone, can you say hello Miss Rani? Your turn. Amazing everyone. Are you ready for phonics time? I've got Snowy here. He's with his box. Can we say hello to Snowy? Oh, he's giving you all the wave, boys and girls. Are you ready today, Snowy, your box? If you've got some things in there for us. He has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's in Snowy's box today? Let's sing our song and find out what's inside the box. What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, the box likes it when we sing our song, it starts moving around. Ooh. You know what this is, everybody? It's a ruler. So when we're measuring things, we use the ruler. My turn. Ruler. Your turn. My turn again. Ruler. Your turn again. Excellent. So we use this to measure and draw straight lines. Ruler. Keep that there. Let's see what else is inside Snowy's box. Ready to sing? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. It's moving around. Do you know what this is, everybody? It's a remote control. So when we want to change a channel, we use a remote control. My turn. Remote. Your turn. My turn. Remote. Your turn. So it's a remote control and we're just saying remote for short. So we'll put that safely with Snowy. So he's got a ruler, remote. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Are you ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. There's a few more things in here. Ooh, do you know what this is? It's ribbon, and we use it to wrap presents. Ribbon. My turn. Ribbon. Your turn. My turn again. Ribbon. Your turn again. Excellent. So we got ribbon, remote, ruler. I think there's one more thing left in the box. Shall we find out? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. It's moving. Oh, this is small. Can you see that? It's a ring. We put the ring on our finger. Ring. My turn. Ring. Your turn. My turn again. Ring. Your turn again. One more time. Ring. Your turn again. So today in our box, in Snowy's box, we've had a ring, remote, ribbon, ruler. So let's put all these objects on Snowy's box with Snowy. So it's ruler, ribbon, remote, and ring. Today's sound is that sound. It's a long sound, but it's a hard sound to make. And when Miss Rani makes this sound, my tongue goes top of my tongue touches the roof of my mouth. My lips come together a little bit, but my mouth is still open. It's a funny one to make, boys and girls, and when you're in school, it's easier because your teachers can help you. But have a go, and if you can't quite make it, it's okay. Because Miss Rani finds it a tricky one as well. So I hope you've had fun with our phonics today. Remember, only one video a day. And I think today we will give ourselves... Oh, let's give ourselves raindrops. Raindrops, raindrops, raindrops as a well done. And again, raindrops, raindrops, raindrops. So well done, everybody, for doing some good sounds with Miss Rani today. And have a go, remember. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Can you say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Can you say bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Remember, only one video a day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.